Insider leaks reason why Ruto has allegedly been reluctant to appoint Gideon Moi CS despite praise. The reports allege that not only Moi was to be elevated to cabinet, a number of his key confidants and ardent loyal were to be reportedly awarded with lucrative government positions. Speaking to the People daily on conditional anonymity, the insider alleged that Ruto has been reluctant to go ahead with the cabinet appointment plan due to fear of being betrayed by Team Moi. Allegedly top UDA mercenaries feared that KANU bigwigs would violate the agreement and choose to support non-UDA candidate in Baringo senatorial race, even after being awarded government positions. Subscribe EBK channel for more informations.